Are you facing issues with your Windows? Is your Windows not working right and it's showing so many errors with relate to registry and few other applications? Then there is a solution for that. You don't have to depend on Microsoft troubleshooter for fixing all the issues. There is a free automatic repair tool that will fix Windows problems and will boost the performance. And for that, you have to go to your browser and then search for this, actually repair kit. Just search for repair kit and you will get this GitHub page from where you will be able to download this free tool. So once you open the link, you will be taken to this page, that is GitHub page. And from here, if you move down, you will be able to read all the functionalities with relate to this repair kit. So after reading that, you can come to this release section and then click on the latest, that is 1.3.4. Now from this page, just move down and then you will see a download option here in assets, that is repair kit.zip file. It's a zip file. Just download it. Now go to this folder location and here you can see that the downloaded file is available here. Just unzip it or extract it. And you can see the repair kit exe here and the configuration folder here. And now what you have to do next is to run this exe. Yes, the exe has started. This is a standalone application. You don't have to install anything. It will run as a standalone application. So once you are inside this UI, you can see here that it is a straightforward process. You can run the automatic repair directly from here. As it says, repair kit will automatically apply registry settings, disable telemetry setting, optimize Windows services, remove bloatware, repair disk issues, and more. And you can see here in the progress section, here there are more lists which you can enable before you run the automatic repair. Once the selection is complete, you can run automatic repairs. So automatic repair starts and you can see that the progress is getting done one by one. Now since you have selected the option update outdated program, it will show that which all programs are outdated and if you want to get it updated. But right now I do not want to go for that because I am okay with the old version, so I click no. Now once the repair has been completed, just click on OK and then move to useful programs. There is another option that is known as useful program, where you will be able to have a free access to all these applications. For example, the first one, if you want, you can just click on launch CPUs. There are many useful applications like this. This is from where you will be able to know all the details about the CPU, the mainboard, memory, graphics, every details will be available here. So there are quite useful applications. If you move to the next section, you can see that there are a lot of applications which you can use, paid and free. So this repair toolkit is very useful for fixing the problems which relate to Windows. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.